हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हो आप सब और क्या कर रहे हो? आज की वीडियो में आप सबके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ प्रोडक्ट्स आई रिग्रेट बाइंग। मीन्स दीज आर ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स जो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे नहीं खरीदना चाहिए था या फिर इन पे मेरा पैसा टोटली वेस्ट हो गया है। अगर आपको जानना है कि वो कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, सो स्टे ट्यून टिल द एंड। एंड नाउ विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, लेट्स डाइव राइट इनटू दिस वीडियो। Very first product I regret buying is a sheet mask. Actually, I'm not saying that particularly this sheet mask of this brand, but I just regret buying every single sheet mask I have or I use. Basically, all the serum content in your sheet mask, which is generally 20 to 30 ml, is too much for your skin. Instead, you can just buy a bottle of serum which will cost you much more expensive, but it will last you much more and it will save you from the wastage of any product. Or what I like to do is I just pour all the serum of my sheet mask in a bottle and then you can use it like that. Your skin does not need so much of serum, and basically with my skin it did lots of breakouts, and my skin just had so much acne and pimples, and I was really suffering at that time. So I would recommend that instead of buying such a sheet mask, you can buy a bottle of serum which will cost you a little more, but it will last for at least 1 to 2 months and it will also save your money. The second product I regret buying are these pimple patches from Urban Yog. Now I know you guys might be very surprised because you might have seen very good reviews of these pimple patches. These are really famous, I guess, and these are really good as well, but there's a problem with them. I have used almost quite a bit of these. I'll show you here. I have used quite a bit of these and I've used like 8 to 9 patches, and I found out them to be totally useless. They did nothing on my pimples. Like you can still see I have bumps on my forehead, and I applied these. I even tried to apply these on my whiteheads, at least all the pus and the gunk to come out, but it did almost nothing. Like I was so shocked. I had heard a lot about these ones and I was so disappointed. It did nothing. Like when I just peeled it off after one single night, it did nothing. It was completely like the patch itself, and all my gunk was still there. So I think it's not worth it. So I will not recommend you to buy these ones. The next product that has to be in my products I regret buying list is this Biotique BioClove face mask, a purifying anti-blemish face mask. Actually, this just burns so much, and this is the major issue about this mask. This mask burns so much. It feels like as you apply a thin layer on your skin, it feels like it's just burning. Your skin is burning. Just remove it. Thank God I did a patch test before. I just applied it here on my neck and then started burning in just 1 minute, and I just removed it. I also tried it on my mom, but it still was burning a lot. So I will not recommend you to buy this product. Not at all. So the next product in the list was also there in my YouTube short video which I did. This is the M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub. The issue about this scrub is it gives you glowing skin. It's great, but the issue is that it just is too harsh for my sensitive skin. As soon as I applied this on my sensitive skin, like my skin got very red. It just feels like पत्थर है इसमें. जब मैंने इसे यूज़ किया ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैंने क्यों लगाया इसे, बट द आफ्टर रिजल्ट इज़ वेरी गुड. यू कैन नॉट हार्म योर स्किन just to get the glow. You can get the glow without such harm. I will always recommend you using chemical exfoliators than these physical ones. Okay, so coming on to the last product of today's video is this Eva Rose Lip Balm. Now the issue with this is first of all the fragrance. Oh, the fragrance is so strong. It's such a fake rose fragrance. Like एक तो rose fragrance है जो Love Beauty and Planet के body lotion में है, their rose and murmur butter body lotion. That's amazing rose fragrance. But this rose fragrance is so fake, and it's, oh my god. The next issue about this lip balm is its pigmentation. A lip balm is not supposed to be that pigmented. It's too much pigmented. I'm showing you it's swatch. It's really very pigmented, and basically if it's me, I don't like my lip balm to be, and it is just not that good. Even if you apply a single layer, it will be too much pink like a lipstick. So if you want a lipstick which is hydrating, you can go for this one. And also, if coming on to the hydrating part, it's not that hydrating. It just feels like a sticky layer on your lips. So that's the reason I do not like this lip balm. With this being said, we come to the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys liked it, and today I showed you 5 products which I regret buying. Maybe the next month I'll get some more for you, and I'll try my best to help you guys out. If there are any product queries, you can leave it down in the comment section, or you can mail me. My email ID is always there in the description box. And these were all the products. I hope you will not buy them, because these just did not work out for me. Always remember, every skin type might not be the same, but every skin is, some product may work out for me, may not work for you, and which works for you may not work for me. So yes, do tell me in the comment section what was your experience with these products. If you have tried them out, do let me know for sure. And yes, for more such content, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it to your friends. Bye bye, guys.